5 Best Tape Measures. Here is the product number 5. Soft Plastic Ruler Tailor Sewing Cloth Measure Tape. Product description: material, soft plastic. Measurement: 1.5 meters, 60 inches. Color: white. Centimeters are on one side and inches on the reverse. Used widely for home and shop, is ideal gift for tailors. Measure your cloth in either cm or inch, also can help to measure your size. Check your progress if you are on diet. Here is the product number 4. Mini Retractable Tape Measure Ruler. Product description: super mini size, compact and lightweight, easy to carry travel. Metric: imperial 2 kinds of measurement units. Keyring design: you can hang it anywhere you want. Pulling the tape will lock tape into place. Pressing the button will retract tape. Material: plastic plus steel. Size: 4 by 4.5 by 1.6 centimeters. Here is the product number 3. Body Measuring Ruler Sewing Tailor Tape. Item describe: type, Tailor tape. Material: plastic. Color: red, yellow, blue, green, white, sand random. Large print makes it easy to read, ideal for sewing and measurement. Made of soft fiberglass with large printed numbers, very flexible and portable, with metal ends. Easy to carry and always have it with you. Size: 1.5 centimeters. Here is the product number 2. LAOA Japan Type 3 meters / 5 meters / 7.5 meters / 10 meters. LAOA Japan Type 3 meters / 5 meters / 7.5 meters / 10 meters Tuple-line double-side steel measuring tape measure tools Centrometrica. Item specifics: brand name LAOA. DIY supplies electrical. Material ABS. Measurement range: 10 meters. Here is the product number 1. 120-inch tape measure meter. Product description: a tape measure, flexible and portable. Useful for measuring cloths or articles that are not straight lines or edges. A need for sewing, crafts or the construction of a scientific project. Large, easy to read marks. Measuring up to 120 inches. Having also scale centimeter on the reverse side that is up to 300 centimeters. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.